Good day to all. Today our topic is ant colony optimization. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Nowadays, decision making is the biggest problem with the industries for profitable industry and high quality industries. Likewise, decision making is important. For the reason, different optimization techniques are utilized in industries. In that, ant colony optimization is also one of the best techniques to making a decision. Here, what is meant by ant colony optimization? Ant colony optimization technique is a probabilistic technique for solving industrial problems which can be reduced to finding good paths through graphs. And also, SUO mimics the foraging behavior of ants. According to the sketches, the ant moved its parallel path and also it leaves some chemicals on its pathway. The following ant smells the chemical that flows from previous ant. Based on that chemical smell, it follows the path. Here, likewise, it identifies its food and identify its nest, which is indirect communication between them. Because of indirect communication between them, the ants, with the help of chemical pheromone trails, which enables them to find the shortest paths between their nest and the food sources. These are all the technique that are all utilized by ants for identifying the food and identifying their nest. Why we utilize this concept for engineering optimization, which is the biggest question. So that this presentation is giving the details about ant colony optimization technique procedure. The uh, problem is maximization. The problem is related with the maximization. Maximize z is equal to x1 power 4 plus 2x2 is the objective function, and it's subject to constraints 0 less than or equal to x1 comma x2 less than or equal to 10. Then the step 1, the ant colony optimization started with the step 1. The step is called as generate initial population. So every optimization technique is started with the initial population. So this optimization problem, I assume the population size is 10, number of iterations it should be 5. Here also the same formula used for identifying the initial population, chase x1 and x2. As like our previous discussions with the genetic algorithm, this also utilizes some formulas. The formula is x1 is equal to x1 min plus x1 max minus x1 min into random number. Here the same formula is utilized for the next point, which is x2. Here the random number, RAND means random number. The random number generation always in between 0 to 1. How do I initially generate the points, which is x1 and x2 means here I generate the random number. The initial random number 1 is 0.63 and the random number 2 is 0.49. I substitute the values with respect to the given equations for identifying the initial point x1 and x2. In this problem, the minimum value is 0, maximum value is 10. So I substitute minimum x1 value as 0 and the maximum x1 value as 10. So 0 plus 10 minus 0 into 0.630. From this I can get 6.3. Likewise, I follow the same for getting the x2. And then step 1 I continued the generate initial population as like tabular column. I produce a tabular column based on the population size 10. I produced 10 x1 and x2 combination values. Here you see I arranged 10 populations 1 to 10, and also I substitute the x1 x2 population generation equation. From that formula I get the initial points x1 x2 as 6.3 and 4.9. Okay, 6.3 and 4.9. Here I substitute the value, and also from the identified value x1 and x2 I substitute the value into our objective function. From this I can get the f of x value, which is 49.02. Likewise, I substitute the values for 10 populations. I can collect the 10 f of x values, okay, which is the initial step available with the anti-colony optimization. And then the step 2, arrangement of population sequence. For how do I arrange? Why I utilize the same sequence for every step? How do I arrange? If my problem is maximization means I arrange the solutions in descending order. And if my problem is minimization means I arrange the sequence with respect to ascending order. What is sequencing? Here you see the 1 to 10 population available. The initial population gives the f of x value as like 49.02. Next 37.2, 13.8. Likewise, the f of x values are varied. Here I arrange the value with respect to ascending order or descending order. According to this problem is maximization problem, so that I follow the descending order. So I rearrange the things. But before that, I give the number of each populations with the rank. Okay, here 59.56 is the biggest number that what I get from my populations. The smaller number is 8.25. Likewise, I got in every population, so that I rearrange or resequence the population order. Here you see, I rearrange all the things from 59.56 and then 49.02 and then 37.2. It continues to the minimum point, which is 8.25. I reschedule all the things, which is the step available with the anti-colony optimization, which is step 2. And then the step to continuous identification of superior region and the inferior region from total number of population, which is also available with the second step. How do I identify superior region from available 10 populations? Here superior region is equal to total number of population divided by 5 into 3, which is the formula. Here, according to this problem, my assumption total number of population is 10. So, I substitute the value as 10 here. 10 divided by 5 into 3 is equal to 6. So, according to this 10 number of population, first 6 number is the superior region. The balance 4, the serial numbers are in inferior region. This is also happening with the second step. From this, the step 3. Here, divide the solution into superior and the inferior region in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Okay, according to considered problem, total number of population is 10. Superior region from available problem 1 to 6. So 6 populations, and 7 to 10 is the inferior region, which is 4. Here I represented with this slide, which is step 3. Okay, and then step 4. According to inferior region, I divide furthermore division is needed for solving the problem. So I divided that into inferior region into a global ant and local ant in the ratio of 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1 means here I got 4 populations with the inferior region. I divide this into 4 is to 1. Here you see, here I got 4, the value, first 4 is comes under global and I mean first 3, 7, 8, 9 is comes under global land. And 4 is to 1, so the balance 1 is local and. According to this problem, for 7, 8, 9 are global land and 10 as a local land. Likewise, I split the initial population. First step is to generate the initial population. After that, sequencing the initial population and separate inferior and superior region. And then inferior region I can separate again. Okay, I do separate again with respect to 4 is to 1 ratio. And then step 5. Step 5 is the crossover and mutation step. Okay, here as like a genetic algorithm also available crossover and mutation. Here also the anti-calling optimization also has this own crossover and mutation procedure. Here, how do I conduct the crossover operator in the global and do random walk crossover? So how do I conduct the random walk? Select random number within superior region and replace in the global and. For example, first I take the random number with the aid of calculator. From that I got 2. So the serial number 7, because I consider only inferior region for crossover. Okay, here you see which is the inferior region. Here only I consider the crossover function, so that I find first random number, it may comes as like 2. Okay, so that I replace the seventh population with respect to second population. Okay, which is the crossover step. I replace the thing what I got with the random number. For the example, in I consider the first serial number 7 is replaced by serial number 2 because of I got the random number 2. And then to take random number, I again by utilization of calculator, I generate the random number which is 4. So that serial number 8 is replaced by serial number 4. And then take random number, I again take the random number which is comes like 5. So that serial number 7 is replaced by serial number 5. Here you see the 7 a for converting the inferior region 7 8 9 I consider this so I generate the random number I got 2 4 5 so that I internally change replace 7 with the 2 okay here I replace all the things okay 7 8 9 with the generated random number so I got rescheduled and reassigned values based on the randomized search and then step 5 crossover and mutation it continues in the step 5 after crossover conducting the mutation operator is available. Generally, mutation probability always zero point 0.5 in anti-colony optimization. I utilize some formula for mutation. That formula is x is equal to capital R into 1 minus small r power 1 minus t into b. Here I want to explain what is small r. Here the small r is random number. Random number generally generated between 0 to 1. In this problem, I generated 0.303. Capital T. Here capital T available. Capital T means current iteration divided by total iteration. According to the problem, I consider as like 1 divided by 5. So it's equal to 0.20. Next iteration, it may be 2 by 5. Likewise, I fix the value according to my population size. If I consider 10 means total iterations, 10 means 1 divided by 10. This problem I considered 5 so that I utilize 5. Then B, small b is the controlling parameter. Usually we will take the b value as 10. Okay. Then capital R just represented for step size. Step size, how do I identify the step size means x maximum minus x current value. Here x maximum value of x1 and x2. What is the maximum value from the available table x1 and x2? Here you see 7.4 is the maximum value. So that I choose 7.4. And then in x2, what is the maximum value? Here you see 5.4 is the maximum value available with the x2. So that I choose the maximum value from x1 and the x2 as 7.4 and 5.4. Let's see. Next step. For serial number 7 mutation, the current x current point serial number 7 you concentrate x1 6.3 is the current position and x2 at 4.9. How do we mutate? For example, consider the serial number 7 x1 current is 6.3. According to the x1 table, the maximum value is 7.4. Here the 6.3 serial number and the current value is 6.3 and the maximum value available with the x1 is 7.4. So I choose the both values. From this, I can find the step size. Here R is equal to x1 max minus x1 current. I substitute the value 7.4 minus 6.3, I will get 1.1. I substitute other values. X is equal to capital R. I found now 1.1. I substitute this and also open bracket 1 minus. In previous slide, I told about my random number initially generated with the aid of calculator. I got 0.303. So that I substitute the same value here. After that, exponential 1 minus t into b. Here 1, there no problem. I can directly substitute 1 minus t means capital T is the current iteration divided by total iteration. For this problem, I consider 5 iterations, so that 1 divided by 5. From that, I got 0.20 into b. B values usually considered for this problem as 10, so that I substitute 10. From this, I got 1.09. Similar to same, I substitute the values for x2. Here also you may check x2 current according to the 7th x2 current 4.9 and according to this 5.4 is the maximum, so I substitute the values. X2 max is 5.4 and the x2 current is 4.9. From this I got 0.5 as the step size. Here I utilize the same random number and the same capital T, same B. I substitute the values. Finally, I may got the values of x2. So from this I can get the next value like this. Here from these found values I may go for generate the next new points x1 and x2 new points. For the reason I generate random number again within 0 to 1. From this I got 0.12. Now for mutation I compare the thing with the generated random number with the mutation probability. Already I told about anti-colony optimization mutation probability is zero point 0.5. So I compare the things with the generated random number. Here formulas are if mutation probability is less than random number means I utilize x current minus delta x. If my mutation probability is greater than random number means x current plus delta x. Here mutation probability zero point 0.5 and generated random number 0.12. So I compare those things. I can get the greater. I can get the minimum random number from this. The second condition I chose. Okay, here x1 new x1 current plus delta x. So I found the values as a formulas. X1 current is 6.3 plus delta x is equal to 1.09. Likewise, I substitute. I got the newer point is 7.39. How did I got the 1.09? Here you found the delta point which is 1.09. So that I substitute the 1.09 for delta x. From this I can get 7.39. And the similar to same, I conduct the test for x2. X2 new is equal to x2 current plus delta x. Here 4.9 is the current point. I added the 0.499. Here I found the delta x for second point, so that I add both things. I got 5.399. From this, I get the new point for seventh population as like 7.39 for x1, 5.399 for x2. Similarly, I conduct the test for serial number 8 and 9 in inferior region. Okay, I also replace the new found x1 and x2 into the population. From that, I got newer f of x value also. Now, step 6. We move to step 6 in local and do trial diffusion. It is similar to arithmetic crossover. Initially, for this step, I generate a random number which is alpha 0.76. If random number is less than 0.5, x child, what about that next point is equal to alpha into x parent plus 1 minus alpha into x parent. If random number is 0.5 to 0.75 means x child is equal to x parent. If random number is 0.75 to 1 means I consider x child as the x parent 2. Here random number is 0.76. So this generated random number is lying in between the third condition which is 0.75 to 1. So that I consider the x parent 2. Why I conduct this? I goes the step 6 is continued. Select any select any two parents from superior region. It may be a to second and a three. For this problem solutions, I consider the parent 1 as the serial number 2, parent 2 as the serial number 3. From this, I can choose the x1 and alpha 2 values from their respective population. Okay, and in local ant we have only one ant and the random number generated is 0.76. So that we utilize the equation x child as the x parent 2. So serial number 10 I represent a parent number 2. Okay, here the x1 is equal to x1 parent 2, x2 parent 2. So x1 is equal to 5.8 and x2 is equal to 1.8. From this I can calculate f of x is equal to 37.25, which is the sixth step. And then I move to seventh step for two local search on superior region. Before that we conduct a test for inferior region. Now we move to superior region. Here what are all the steps we follow? The local search is to be done for one serial number 126 according to this problem. Average pheromone value we should conduct. What is average pheromone value means? Allow the probability distribution of different components of the solution to be modeled. The formula for identifying the average pheromone value is sum of all pheromone value divided by total number of superior region. Here, according to this formula, I need the total number of superior regions from our problem, the 6. Okay, because serial number 1 to 6 is the superior region, so that I chose 6. Initially assumed all the regions have Roman value 1. So age 10. Because of this conductor problem, I consider summation of p is equal to 1, the Roman value is 1, the population size is 10, so that I multiply both the things, I can get the newer age as 10. Average Roman value. Here Roman value is equal to 10 divided by 6 is equal to 1.66. Roman is mean for the chemical which emits, which can be emitted by the previous ant for the second ant that follow to identify their food and the nest. For the reason they are emitting the chemicals. Here the problem also utilizes the same Roman value. The all the problems, the initial Roman value is 1. Based on the considered population, we can identify the age with respect to the Roman value. Here 1 into 10, from that I got the 10. Based on that average Roman value, we can also identify 10 divided by 6 is equal to 1.66. Then again generate the random number 0 to 1 or 1.88. If the random number 1 is greater than average of Roman value, leave the solution without alteration. We can replace the same solution for next. If random number 1 is less than average Roman value, go for limiting step. What is limiting step? If I got the random number is less less than average Roman value, because zero point 0.8, our Roman value is 1.66, so that I got the random number is less than average Roman value, so we go for limiting step. Here what is limiting step? In that notation ls is equal to k1. Here the notations are utilized for identifying the next point k1, k3 and h, right? Here k1 is equal to zero point 0.1, k2 is equal to 0.001, age is equal to 10. For the reason, I generate the random number for going to the next step, which is lying between 0 to 1. Here I generate the random number. The formula, if random number 2 is greater than zero point 0.5, which is mutation probability 0.5, means we utilize the formula x old plus ls, identified ls. If random number 2 is less than zero point 0.5, means x new point I identified through x old minus ls. Here for all the regions, superior regions, we conducted this experiment for just for superior regions only. And then for serial number 1 superior region 0.88, so that 0.88 is lesser than average Roman value. Average Roman value is 1.66 and our generated random number is 0.88, so that it satisfies the random number 1 is less than average Roman value. From this I can identify the LS through this formula. LS is equal to K1 minus age into K3, and substitute K1 according to the constant value 0.1. I substitute here minus 10. Here age is 10. According to our problem, the age is 10. Population size 10 into 0.001. The K2 value is available as like 0.001. So I substitute the same thing with this equation. I got newer LS point is 0.09. And then I generate the random number again. This comes under 0.56. So therefore, x1 new equal to x old plus ls. Here it's equal to 7.4 plus 0.09. The 7.4 is the previous point available with our superior region. In superior region, the first 6 number is called as superior region. So the 7.4 as the initial point available with the first population. Okay. So I utilized the same 7.4 plus 0.09 identified LS. I got 7.49. Similar to same identified X2 new. Here also X1 X2 old plus LS 2.4 is the initial superior region point as the X2 value. So that I add 2.4 plus 0.09, I can get 2.49. Similar to same, I utilize the same formula for all the other 5 superior regions available with the total population. I can get the newer points x1 for and x2. And then step 8, find the Roman value and the age of ants. Pheromone value generally identified through f of x new minus f of x old divided by f of x old into pheromone value of old. Here, pheromone value of old always we are consider 1 as the pheromone value. For minimization problem, we consider two conditions. For minimization, if f of x new is less than our identified f of x new value is less than f of x old means increase age by 1. F of x new value is greater than older value means decrease age by 1. For maximize problem, the reverse we may consider. F of x new is greater than f of x old means increase age by 1. The reverse condition decrease age by 1. Likewise, we may consider for serial number 1 in superior region for Pheromone value 61.08 minus 59.56 divided by 59.56 plus 1. From this I got 1.025 because the age f of x new is greater than f of x old, so that increase the age by 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So that here I introduce the value as like 11 because I compare both the things. The older x point is, I mean, older f of x value is 59.56 and developed a new f of x value is 61.08, so that I add the old age 10 with 1, so that it is 11. Here also I compare the newer developed f of x value is 48.16 and the older value is 49.909. I compare both the things means the new my newer point is lesser value, so that I subtract the thing from 10 is to minus 1. From this I can get the 9. But choose the solution of first iteration. From this I can get the solution because my problem is maximization. Here the lot of values are available. 65.41 is the maximum value from the iteration 1. So that the best f of x, maximized f of x is 65.41 and the corresponding input parameters are 7.39 and 5.39. Likewise, I got the solution result. So then I move to next iteration because I consider 5 iterations. What are the steps I follow for next iteration means the similar step from step 1 to step uh, previous step. The solution you follow the thing. Okay. The for 5 iterations. You may continue your iteration. It may be 5, it may be 10, it may be 100. You may elaborate your work, but you can compare all the results with each other. You may find the overall objective, maximized objective function, which is known as global objective function. The global objective function it delivers on colony optimization. It delivers the global optimization. Okay, thank you all. If you are having any doubt, you may ask through comment box. Thank you.